Hi, friend, my name is Luke and today we talk about Best Budget Gaming PC 2019. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel for more tech videos. If you want to see the price and find more information about these products, links in the description below. Best Budget Gaming PC 2019 under $500. 1. Acer Aspire Desktop. Acer's Aspire Desktop hits just pennies under the $500 cap and is an Amazon bestseller, which helps it plant itself as our best overall pick. Powered by a 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM and 2TB of hard drive space, there's more than enough power to get you through both work and play. Throwing demanding tasks at the Acer won't slow it down, as multitasking on it feels as good as on computers that often cost far more. Beyond power, there's plenty of ports, including USB 3.0, as well as the inclusion of 802.11 AC internet connectivity for the fastest possible browser speeds. All the ports, drives and memory are bundled up in a black chassis that offers a clean and modern look that fits in beautifully with the home office or the actual office. Acer raises the bounty with an added mouse and keyboard, though they're pretty run-of-the-mill, so feel free to purchase upgrades separately. Topping off an already great machine, Acer adds support for a 5.1-channel audio system if you want to take your movie and video playback to the next level. 2. DELL Inspiron 3470. Dell's products are renowned for their solid performance and long-term reliability, and the Inspiron 3470 is no different. Priced well below $500, it's easily one of the best affordable desktop computers available out there. Powered by Intel's 8th generation Core i3 processor and 8GB of RAM, DELL Inspiron 3470 is more than capable of handling everyday computing tasks with aplomb. It also comes with a 1TB HDD, so you can store all the files, photos, music, and videos you want. The Inspiron 3470 includes a DVD/CD burner that can read, write all major optical disc formats, e.g. DVD plus R, RW, and even features integrated Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram, N and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. As far as I/O ports are concerned, the computer has USB Type-A 2.0 at the back and 3.0 on the front, HDMI, VGA, line in/out, mic in, and Ethernet. All this hardware is packed into a slim and modern-looking case. DELL Inspiron 3470 comes preloaded with 64-bit Windows 10, and there's even a wired keyboard thrown into the mix. 3. Lenovo ThinkCentre M73. Originally pioneered by IBM and now managed by Lenovo, the ThinkCentre series is, and always has been, the preferred choice of numerous businesses around the globe. If you want an affordable yet secure desktop computer for your office, get the ThinkCentre M73. Although Lenovo offers extensive hardware customization for the M73, our recommended configuration includes an 8th generation Intel Core i3 CPU, paired with 8GB of DDR4 RAM. The 500GB HDD, while not the biggest, is sufficient for all your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. The Lenovo ThinkCentre M73 also comes with a handful of hardware-level features for ensuring the safety of confidential data. These include Smart USB protection, which enables you to restrict the number of USB devices that can access the PC, and Trusted Platform Module, an international standard for data encryption. For I/O, the M73 features USB Type-A 8 in total, with 4 2.0 and 4 3.1, USB Type-C, DisplayPort, VGA, Ethernet, and much more. Having multiple expansion slots, Lenovo ThinkCentre M73 runs 64-bit Windows 10. 4. HP Pavilion 690010. Love playing games but don't want to shell out thousands of dollars on a maxed-out gaming rig? You don't have to. There are many affordable computers that offer a very good, if not great, gaming experience, an example being HP's Pavilion 690010. Priced a little over $500, the Pavilion 690010 is undoubtedly among the best affordable gaming PCs you can buy today. It's powered by AMD's Ryzen 3 2200G CPU with integrated Vega graphics, complemented by a Radeon RX 550 GPU with 4GB of dedicated graphics memory. This hardware allows the computer to handle most games at medium to high settings without any issues. Having 8GB of RAM and a 1TB HDD, the Pavilion 6900010 is also ideal for everyday computing tasks. The Windows 10-based PC comes with a wide array of I/O ports, including USB Type-A, USB Type-C, Ethernet, VGA, and HDMI. There's also integrated Wi-Fi 802.11a, B per gram, N, AC and Bluetooth 4.2, as well as a 3-in-1 card reader and a DVD, CD burner. As a gaming PC, HP Pavilion 6900010 looks the part too, complete with distinct angular bezels and green LED lighting. 5. Lenovo IdeaCentre 510A. Considering that they're essentially rectangular cabinets with a bunch of electronic components inside them, computer towers don't really offer much in terms of aesthetics. However, exceptions are always there. Say hello to Lenovo IdeaCentre 510A. Having an elegant and contemporary design, the IdeaCentre 510A is hands down the best-looking affordable PC you can buy right now. Its front panel has a brushed finish and a minimalistic design with just a vertically mounted DVD, CD burner and two logos, Lenovo and IdeaCentre. That said, the right part of the panel is actually a magnetic door that hides the front ports, e.g. USB Type-A, headphone, microphone, from sight. Another standard I/O ports, like HDMI, VGA, and Ethernet, are located at the back. Our recommended configuration of the Lenovo IdeaCentre 510A comes with an AMD Ryzen 3 2200G CPU, paired with 8GB of RAM and a 1TB HDD. Running Windows 10, the computer also features integrated Wi-Fi 802.11 AC and Bluetooth 4.0 for wireless connectivity.